the driver of the number 780 BORLA Exhaust, Skip Barber Racing, Honda Performance Development, Civic SI. I compete in TC America and TC A class. Now our Honda is definitely part of the touring car class, so we can't do a ton of modifications to it. But my favorite mod is definitely the BORLA Exhaust. Doesn't get much better than that. It's loud, it's aggressive, and it just screams race car. Now when we're out on track, there's nobody missing us, and that's including our competitors.